it's February. We have about 6 inches of snow outside, and I'm still able to produce nice green lettuce. Whereas when I buy it from the store, it's like, I don't know, it's just yellow and white. So our lettuce, we let it grow back for about a week, and we're here to harvest again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the leaves off the outermost part of the lettuce. I'm just going to pull them off like that, and leave the center so that they continue to grow, and then I'll come back in a week and harvest those as well. So we have a variety of lettuce here, and being that I know how it was grown, I'm not too concerned about washing it because we're not outside. I'm not watering the leaves, so there's not really mold or mildew or anything growing on them. And yeah, so I'll take, and you can see I left the center leaves there so they can grow back. I'm just going to take up here. Just try to break them off at the base. I'm just going to come around and take more of these leaves off the outside. You can see you can fill up a bowl pretty quick. It doesn't take much. Look at the color on that. That's beautiful. I think that's the red romaine. Now, if you look at this, there's no comparison between this and bagged lettuce. And I get this every week. And we're going to be planting even more because we have our seedlings, so we can start filling in some of the empty spaces here. And this is really delicious. All you really need are some lights, a hydroponic setup, a little bit of fertilizer or pump, and I'll put the details below. And I have this year round. I mean, it's the middle of winter. Look how green those are. Everything I buy is white and yellow and anemic and just doesn't look appetizing. This is delicious. Yeah, you grew these with Daddy. Yeah, they grew quick. So I'm just going to take and chop these up a little bit.